Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's learn some market conversation sentence. Simple and very useful English you can use while shopping in any markets. Are you ready? Let's start. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು? How much is this? How much is this? ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Can you reduce the price? Can you reduce the price? ಇದು ತುಂಬ ದುಬಾರಿ. It's too costly. It's too costly. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿ. Show me another one. Show me another one. ಬೇರೆ ಬಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟ. I like this one. I like this one. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ. I don't want it. I don't want it. ಅರ್ಧ ಕಿಲೋ ಕೊಡಿ. Give me half kilo. Give me half kilo. ನೀವು ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Do you accept ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ? Do you accept ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ? ಹೊಸ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೊಡಿ. Give me fresh vegetables. Give me fresh vegetables. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Please pack it nicely. Please pack it nicely. ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When will you bring new stock? When will you bring new stock? ಇದು ಸ್ಥಳೀಯದ್ದಾ? Is this local? Is this local? ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Do you have a discount? Do you have discount? ನಾನು ನಂತರ ಪಾವತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Can I pay later? Can I pay later? Okay friends, you have learned 15 useful English sentences for market conversations. Practice them daily and you will speak confidently next time you go on shopping. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more English through Kannada lessons. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.